Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing in and jumping straight to the search box. Don't linger on the home feed. Type the phrase or handle you need and press enter to load results. Once the results appear, look for the three-dot menu or the filters icon near the top right. That's the gateway. You're doing this because advanced search exposes precise fields, words, accounts, dates, so you can cut noise and find the exact tweets you need fast. Once advanced search is open, focus on the fields that matter most to your query. Enter keywords in all of these words or pin a phrase with this exact phrase. Use any of these words to broaden results. Then narrow by from or to accounts to isolate authors and toggle the replies or links filters to trim noise. Make sure to use the date from and to calendars. Searching a tight range quickly surfaces the tweet you need without scrolling. To finish, combine fields deliberately. Use exact phrases with account filters and date limits to pinpoint content. If results are messy, add exclusions with a minus sign or use operators like filter, links to show tweets with media. Once done, scan results and tweak keywords until relevant tweets dominate. If tweets don't appear, make sure you're on desktop web or clear your browser cache. Sometimes mobile apps hide advanced options, so switch to web and broaden dates to recover missing results.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.